This week we're heading to the Charleys Creek Campground Brewery. Quick stop on the way for our favourite bacon from the Yarra Butcher.
Nice bacon.
Toadie's actually quite obsessed with bacon, so we've stopped at a lot of butchers on our travels looking for good bacon. Charleys Meats in Yarra is still our favourite, and we never drive past without stopping it. Charleys Creek Campground is located in Chinchilla in the Western Downs region of Queensland, approximately 300 kilometres west-northwest of Brisbane. It is known as the melon capital of Australia and is famous for its melon festival, which is held every 2 years in February. We regularly travel to Chinchilla for gigs at the commercial hotel, and we recently came across the new Charleys Creek Campground and Brewery, and it quickly became a favourite spot of ours. The brewery serves locally brewed craft beer and their own distilled vodka and gin, and on Saturday nights they have slow cooked Wagyu beef brisket meals. You can even purchase take home or take the camp packs of premium Wagyu. After checking in with Steve and Ursula at the brewery, it's a short drive around the back to the dog-friendly campgrounds with 35 acres on the banks of Charleys Creek. It is $30 a night for non-powered sites and $45 for a site with power and water. They have a great amenities block and a communal camp kitchen with a large fire pit and plenty of space to hang around and mingle with other campers. If you are more of the quiet, keep to yourself kind, you can set up your own fire at your campsite with fire pits and firewood available. If you're the adventurous type, you can hire single and double kayaks or a fishing pedal boat. After setting up camp, we headed up to the brewery for a few bevies and some dinner. My tasting paddle. I forget what I got. Ginger beer, raspberry vodka, blueberry vodka, and passion fruit vodka. Tony tried as many beers as he could until he found his favourite one. It was a Friday night, so pizza was on the menu, hot, fresh, and delicious. Steam coming off how hot that pizza is. I got the supreme. Oh, thanks. After a couple more cold ones by the fire pit, we did the walk of shame back to the camp. Hot tip, bring a torch. The next morning we were up early to cook brekkie before we head off for our gig. I got this very unique set of cutlery. As you know, when you're in a group, you're always watching your cutlery to make sure you can keep a full set. I also got this really cool knife that was my mama's. It's a bone knife. And my dad made me another one which is made out of deer antlers. Very special, so I'll be watching them very closely. quick prep to remove the rind from the famous Yarraman bacon. Seriously, I cannot brag enough about it. And there you have it, a kilo of the best bacon that we've found so far.
Breakfast of champions.
Short drive back over the train tracks to the commercial hotel. We've been playing here regularly for a couple of years now and always enjoy coming back. The staff and the locals have made us feel like family. It's always a sad day to wake up and pack up, but the jobs are not quite over yet. There is currently no dump point at Charleys Creek Campground, so it's a short drive to town dump point, so Tony can do his little dump dance. I would offer to do it, but he looks like he really enjoys it. If you've got any recommendations for campsites we should go visit, drop us a comment. If you enjoyed our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.